Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning in to my channel today. And today I went to a flea market and I bought 12 of these apple cider donuts. I think I overbought. I should have bought 8 instead of 12, but I am kind of stuck with them now. Not that they're not good, they are good, but I should have just bought 8 and not 12. So I'm going to show you the other items that I bought, but before I show you, I wanted to show you the donuts. They smell fantastic. Oh my God. Later after dinner, I'll have another one. Alrighty, so let's go on to the pieces that I bought, especially this piece right here, which was my favorite. This is not a normal piece. I don't have closets or units like these in my dollhouses. And this was just missing a leg. That's it. I paid $3 for it. I've already polished it with wood finisher. And the doors open very nicely. I like that they open very nicely. You don't have to force them. And I've already cleaned it inside, but look at how beautiful. What a nice closet. I plan to decorate the interior with decorative paper, or if I can find mirrors of that size, like rectangular like that. I don't know if I'm gonna find mirrors like that, but let's see what I find, maybe from my makeup. Sometimes you get the makeup that has mirrors like that. So let's see what I find. Maybe I'll do a video just on that. And I have to see what I do about adding a fourth leg. So this was $3 that I paid for it. And then I found this egg, ceramic egg. Look at how beautiful this is. Isn't that beautiful? It's not musical. Some of them are musical. Some of them have something under it and they're musical. But this one is just plain, but it's fine. Then I found this bracelet. I don't like bracelets like this on my wrist because I have a very thin wrist. So I don't like bulky bracelets like this. But I bought this to repurpose it. I don't know, I see it this way. And I figure it could be some type of stand. Let's say in the back, I make a background over here, like a little bar. And put all the wine bottles and maybe put somebody in here like they're working and they're serving. I'm not sure what will I do. But I'll make something. And then, look at this. This was an ornament, but you know what I want for, right? A fixture for one of my dollhouses. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It was perfect. It was there as an ornament, but I bought it for $1. And it's going into one of my dollhouses. Then I found 2 frames. This one was perfect. If I'm going to place it like that, sideways, it's perfect for the 1.12 scale miniature settings. Then I found another one. This was a little bigger, but I can always make something with it. So I found those 2 frames, $1 each. And I found this goose. There were a whole bunch. And I could tell they were brand new, but I just bought one because it's not as small as I would like it to be. And then here, another ornament, Christmas tree with a picture. I believe that's a real picture of a girl. I'm not sure why people leave their pictures in the items. And then these items end up at the yard sales and thrift shops, flea markets. But anyway, doesn't bother me. I can take it out. But you wonder sometimes. Maybe they forget. And they just put stuff in a box that's going to go to a yard sale. I don't know, whatever reason. Then the last item is this little tiger. And it's supposed to be a necklace, but I'm not going to use it as a necklace. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to use it as a little tiger. And one of my miniature settings. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Alrighty. Well, back to the donuts. I'm going to be eating a donut later on after dinner. And I think that this is it. This is it. And thank you for watching.